Dear students, today I am going to share an interesting activity related to the addition of large numbers with carryover. As you can see, we have different colored counters. We will represent purple colored counters for ones, yellow colored counters for tens, green colored counters for hundreds, and pink colored counters for 1000. Using these counters, we will add two numbers. Let's take two numbers. First number is 2253 and the other number 6864. Now we will represent these numbers using these counters. Our first number is 2253. 2000 will be represented by two pink counters. 200 will be represented by two green counters. 50 will be represented by 5 yellow counters. And 3 will be represented by 3 purple counters. Do you know why? Because each pink counter stands for thousands. Each green counter stands for hundreds. Each yellow counter stands for tens. And each purple counter stands for ones. Our next number is 6864. 6000 will be represented by 6 pink counters. $800 will be represented by 8 green counters. $60 will be represented by 6 yellow counters. And 4 will be represented by 4 purple counters. Now our numbers are ready. We always start our numbers from ones place. तो हम पहले ones place वाले digits add करेंगे. We will add 3 plus 4, which will give 7 purple counters. We will bring down 7 purple counters in the final columns. Next, we will add tens column digits. So, 5 plus 6, we will get 11 yellow counters. We will bring down all the 11 yellow counters in the final column. As these are 11 counters, we know that 10 tens are 100. So what we will do? we will replace 10 yellow counters with 1 green counters. So we have 1 green counters and 1 yellow counters. But this is not the house of green counter. So what we will do? We will shift this green counter to its own house. Now we will add the hundreds column. We have 2 plus 8 counters. In total, we have 10 green counters, which we have to bring it down in the final column. And we already have 1 green counter as carried forward. So we will bring down this also, and we got the total 11 green counters. Again, we will replace 10 green counters with 1 pink counters. By 1 pink counter. Why? Because 10 hundreds is equal to 1000. So now I have 1 green counter and 1 pink counter. As we know, this is not the house of a pink counter, so we will move pink counter to its home. Now we will add 1000 place counters. We have 2 plus 6 is equal to 8 pink counters, which we have to bring down in the final column. We already have 1 pink counter as carried forward, so we will add this too, and in total we have 9 pink counters. So in this way, the sum of these two numbers, 2253 and 6864, will be 9117. So children, I hope you have understood the concept of addition with carry over with this interesting activity. Do this activity at your home to understand it better. Thank you.